We're out here on the 9th hole at the site of our new, or what will be our new turf grass nursery, green height nursery. This area will be maintained with the same specifications, same practices as our greens. And the way that we do that is when this nursery is established, it'll be established with aeration cores from the putting surfaces on the golf course. So when this is done, you'll have essentially a clone of the existing putting surfaces. Now, a couple questions I've heard are, one, why do we need a turf nursery? I mean, that's an easy question. You're always going to have things going on in your greens or on the golf course which require the need of, green replacement of turf. We've seen that some this year with minor spots coming out of the winter, minor vandalism, and 3 falls ago we saw it in a large scale on the 16th green. At that time, the nursery across on the other side of the 9th hole was deemed insufficient to be able to replace the 16th green with, so sod had to be brought in from off-site. It was a different type, it was a different look, and many people have asked why that green is different from the rest of the greens on the course, and that's part of the reason. If we should be so unfortunate to have something like that happen again in the future, we would have enough turf on this nursery to be able to replace more than an entire green. Not that that's ever something we want to have happen, but we sort of need to be prepared for it. So starting today, we're going to be using Bobcat to scrape the existing turf off. We're going to go down about 2 or 3 inches, take that much soil out of here, and replace it with a good quality greens mix. And then starting shortly thereafter, we'll install irrigation around this area. You can see the irrigation satellite there at the far end of this nursery. It'll be very easy for us to tie into the irrigation off of the 9th fairway and wire the heads from this satellite. And next spring we'll do a small core aeration on the greens, and we'll use those cores to establish our turf on this nursery. And I would say probably by the late summer, early fall, we'll have a green nursery, which will be an exact clone of the greens on the golf course.